Okay, this is Christmas 2016.
Woo! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Nice box.
Keep going. Keep
My
going.
hair looks retarded.
Oh, stop it with your fucking hair. Oh, sorry. I gotta blurt that out. Want to go outside?
Oh my God!
Come outside.
Come on! Oh my God! You gotta go!
Brand new.
What?
Yeah.
Oh my God!
I think Steve is more excited than Ben. Are you surprised? Are you surprised?
Open it! Open the freaking door! My new socks are...
I'm so glad you were surprised. I've been planning this for months.
Oh my God!
It was worth it. Aw, it was so worth it. How do you like it? This is priceless. Vinnie, open it. Ben. Ben.
That is so...
Ben, I mean, can you say something, please? Ben.
Oh my God, I can't believe
Oh
this.
my God, it's so nice!
Did you have any idea?
Did you have any idea?
No, I had no idea.
There's even heated seats in the back. Brand new. Heated seats in the back, too.
It has the electronic
Bluetooth, everything. Fully loaded. I think Steve is more excited than
God,
Ben.
thank you so much, Mom.
You're welcome. I hope you like it. I was trying to get a black color, but
Woogie, woogie, woogie. This is so cool!